50-50. 50-50. 50-50.
Why are you running? Why are you?
This feels so wrong. Like, I really look like a terrorist. I made it, bro. They were like, "Why are you wearing this, right?" I'm like, "Because of Eid." Then, what happened? They're like, "Oh, yeah, are you gonna wear this the next day?" I'm like, "Nah, because it is only 3 days." See, I'm in school. Good morning.
Oh, hello.
Everyone's looking at me like shocked, like scared. Like, I'm not a terrorist, come on. I'm just walking through the halls and literally everyone's staring at me. I'm not surprised though. Look how big my bag is. Some of you in the comments in my last video were like, "You won't do it." But look, I did it. A lot of people actually like my fit. That's good.
Bro, tell me that's not creepy as hell.
Bro, tell me they're not gyms, bro. Watch this. Watch this.
Night, everyone. I am turning off my phone for the night. Good night. If anyone calls me, I will not answer. Good night.
So after the fasting month, when all the shaitan get released, do they get released slowly by each time zone or all at once? And if it's the first one, how do they decide which shaitan to go first? We met questions about the job. Oh.
I'm literally crying over my nails right now because they're so ugly. Oh my god, okay. This is what I wanted, okay? This is the pastels, and this is what I got.
Ladies and gentlemen,
all that matters is that if I saw myself dressed like this in public when I was like 13, I would have been like, God damn, that bitch is cool.
قلبي دق 3 دقات لما افتكر الذكريات انت يا بنتي ست البنات من جايه سكرايه على الواتساب بتقولي
Who is racist now? You guys, don't be like this. Muslim people are not all Allahu Akbar boom, not like this. We are cute. We are Allahu Akbar, yes, like this. Not Allahu Akbar boom, not like this, please.
What the hell is this? A'udhu billah. We have seen the evidence. You cannot escape anymore. You're finished. A'udhu billah.
Practicing my Nika walk at an actual Nika like.
If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You like me, I like you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay.
she looking fly, yeah, she looking at the boys, looking like money right from my head down to my feet. She smile at me, I don't really know what it means. So, see, I'm in a bit of a...
I don't know what they told you, but that's not a castle. It is called a mosque. A masjid. Yeah.
Oh my god, he's dead? No!
What is a food that is completely normal to eat in your country, but will be seen as weird in other countries?
I didn't realize how weird Syrian food is until I actually thought about it. First up, we have makdoos. Now, tell me that does not look scary. It's usually eaten with like pita bread and stuff like that. This is the prettiest picture I could find. This is the prettiest picture I could find of this dish. I'm being serious. This is called a sakhtura or ja'at. It's basically stuffed intestines. Yeah. You see this? See this? You want to see it? Do you want to know what this is? This is called shanglish. It's basically rotten cheese rolled in thyme. Or za'atar. So yeah, turns out some Syrian food looks weird.
This morning I went to go take a shower and I heard someone open the door. And one of my siblings came in and they started shitting when I was in the bathroom. And so when people say, when you hit rock bottom, the only way you can go is up, that's not true. You can fall further down. Rock bottom is a bottomless pit.
So I googled something simple on Google.
I just wanna eat it. Baby, let me see it. Oh, I really need it. Oh, baby, let me see it. I just wanna eat it.
Chuck, you want to hear something you probably never heard before?
What's that?
Did you know that you are older than Israel? You know the country Israel?
I know that.
It was made in 1948.
I know that.
You know that?
Well, yes, I was studying in school when that happened.
So
I was almost about to graduate. I know all that because not only was I in school, I was already in the National Guard. But
those people came together to try to end me. And sweetheart, before I get off this Insta, let me say this, it'll never fucking happen.
Shit pissed me off for real. Why do you act like that?
Like what?
The way that you act. You don't see how you act why people don't want to be around you?
No.
Look how you act.
No, I don't believe in soulmates. But तेरी नजरों ने दिल का किया जो असर ये हुआ
करे जिस राह भी जाऊं तुझको ही चाहूं हमरा अब
या रब्बल आलमीन अल्लाहु अल्लाह
والله انا مش زعلان اصلا انا حيوان لا ريلي انا حيوان
الله عليه شفيع الأمة بذكر الرسول تشحذ الهمة يا ربي من جاه النبي أزح الغمة يا ربي من جاه النبي أزح الغمة صلوا على الهادي البشير نبي الكل المنير شفيعي عند القدير صلوا عليه صلوا يا صلوا على بدر التمام صلوا عليه
Chanel, bitch, we just right. You don't watch sale, bitch, we live life. Sleep. Sleep.
I sit by myself talking to حاجات تتحس وما تتقالش وإن جيت أطلبها أنا ما أقدرش ولو أنت.
So it's time to pray Asr and I'm at school. I'm gonna give you all the breakdown of how to pray in your car when you have nothing. So first, like, put your hair in a little bun or ponytail or something. Hopefully I can do this in 60 seconds. And then you're gonna make sure you're wearing pants and socks and take your shoes off. And I don't have anything to pray in, but I still have to pray. So you're gonna take a mask, you're gonna go like that. You're gonna pull it up like this, just so to make sure it covers your hair. And we take this, and then we're gonna zip it up. And then I take hair clips and I clip it here. So, you ready to pray?
There's no problem, Akhi. As long as you are not interested in paradise and have no problem in going to hell, you have no.
I don't know what holiday is today, but they showing out, I swear. He looks so pretty.
World, so to speak, pussy you sour. Never giving credit where it's due, cause you don't like pussy in power. Venom.
You need to leave.
This literally explains so much. After I posted my Palestine video, I had all of these wannabe Israeli supermodels and YouTubers in my comments ferociously defending the apartheid state. And now it makes so much sense. Y'all were trying to get a bag. I mean, it's sad that your government needs to pay you to defend it, and it's also sad that your modeling career has gone to shit. But if you guys needed the cash, let me know. I will post as many free Palestine videos as possible. Charity for you.
And I don't mind if I lose any blood on the way to salvation. And I fight with the strength that I got until I die. So I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home, far across.
Closer and closer every day, and I'm almost there. I'm almost there.
Hey, baby, let me see it.
Jalebi, baby.
I just wanna eat it.
Jalebi, baby.
Baby, let me see it.
Jalebi, baby.
Oh, I really need it.
Jalebi.
Oh, baby, let me see it.
Jalebi, baby.
I just wanna eat it.
على عهدي على ديني على أرض تلاقيني أنا لأهلي أنا فديهم أنا دمي فلسطيني 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 أنا دمي فلسطيني
Free Palestine! Free Palestine!
إسرائيل هي
أخذ قحبة. إسرائيل هي
فلسطيني فلسطيني فلسطيني
Kids are dying.
Imagine losing a baby. Enough is enough. When are we going to wake up? Judaism and Zionism are two different things. Imagine your home being taken from you. Everyone has a right to freedom. People should be able to pray in peace.
One of the most interesting yet controversial occurrences in the Muslim world. You see, in Islam there is the prophecy of a future ruler that will be born into this world known as the Mahdi. In 1979, a well-organized group of around 500 men went to the Kaaba, led by an individual named Suleiman who claimed that Mahdi was born into this world. You see, according to Islamic hadith, the future Mahdi will share the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ's name. And Suleiman claimed that his own cousin Muhammad, also present in the siege, was in fact the Mahdi. Their militant group placed snipers on all the walls and forced all those that were present around the Kaaba to pledge allegiance to the supposed Mahdi. The siege lasted 2 weeks before they were overpowered, and in the end Suleiman was beheaded publicly in Saudi Arabia.
Have you ever wondered what the origins of the Palestinian kufiya are? Well, the scarf goes back to the days of ancient Mesopotamia during the civilizations of the Sumerians, and it would generally be worn by high-ranking officials, but it would later grow in popularity amongst many Semitic peoples within this region. Fast forward and it became really popular amongst the Palestinian peasant class, who needed protection from the hot sun while farming. It became even more useful in dry environments to cover from dust storms. The use of the black and white pattern became really prominent in the 1930s during the British Mandate of Palestine as a form of resistance against British rule. And its popularity grew more during the 60s during the Palestinian liberation movement against Israeli military rule. Today, the black and white kufiya not only became synonymous with Palestinian culture, but also Palestinian resistance, as well as solidarity with the Palestinian movement.
I converted to Islam.
I'm glad that I'm
And on Mother's Day my family got together and decided to all wear turbans to support me.
She fights it by falling slowly. If ever you are in doubt, remember
remember what mama told me, brown skin girl.
I love
Skin
them.
just like pearls. Your back again.
Enough is enough.
Muslim countries right now.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
That's crazy. Man, y'all play too much.
ولا تحسبن الله غافلا عما يعمل الظالمون.
And I had an atheist sitting next to me and we were talking about faith and he said, you guys are very bad. The Muslims, I said, no, you get good and bad in every faith. He said, not Islam. I'm saying, what do you mean? He said, Islam, everyone's bad. You believe in Quran? I said, yeah, Quran, we believe in Quran. He says, this Quran, it's got bad things in it. I said, what? He says, you know, it says that anyone who's not a Muslim is going to hellfire. That is very bad. You guys are filled with hatred. You guys, I said, brother, you don't believe in hellfire. Why are you worried? That's the irony. Atheist, he doesn't believe in the hereafter. And he's telling me we are bad because we believe everyone's going to hell. I said, by the way, the Christians believe the same, the Jews believe the same, the Hindus believe the same, and most other faiths believe the same. What about them? He said, no, but they don't have a Quran. I said, okay, this is a bigot. This is a person who really doesn't know.
على أهدي على ديني على أرض تلاقيني أنا لأهلي أنا أفديهم أنا دمي فلسطيني 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 أنا دمي فلسطيني على أهدي على ديني على أرض تلاقيني أنا لأهلي أنا أفديهم أنا دمي فلسطيني 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 أنا دمي فلسطيني